Hello everyone, welcome to Timeless Tarot 111. And for today, ang ating reading ay pick a card. At ang topic natin is kung totoo ba ang person mo sa'yo. No? Kasi meron po tayong reading for May 11th to May 13 na nakapost na po siya. Hanapin niyo na lang po no? Sa ating channel. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 3 sets of deck of cards, no? And mamili kayo doon. So, let's shuffle. Yan. Tignan natin itong... Of course, we will also see kung anong status or kung ano yung nangyayari, di ba? Ayan. So, one more. Ayan. Para po magkaroon tayo ng mga choices kasi halos pare-parehas naman sila, no? Maglalagay tayo dito ng cards. Pero it won't be like needed sa reading, no? Just for you to have choices. Ngayon, ito ang ating deck number 1, the right way. So, kung feeling nyo nangungusap sa inyo itong deck na ito because of the visuals, so ito po ang pipiliin ninyo. Deck number 2, believe. Ayan. So, kung ito naman po ang parang kumukurot sa inyong puso, so ito pong pipiliin ninyo. Deck number 3, shine bright like a candle. Ayan. So, kung ito po ang parang kumakausap no, sa inyo, ito po ang inyong pipiliin. So, deck number 1, number 2, number 3. Pwede po kayong pumili ng dalawa. Kung gusto niyo lahat, okay lang din naman, no? And this is for general reading, no? Of course, magsisimula tayo kay deck number 1. Alright. Sabi muna natin ito. Ayan, deck number 1. So again, hindi siya magmamatter for the entire reading, no? Deck number 1. Ayan. Deck number 1, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release ng bagong video. No? And kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang channel po mula sa dalawang reading mula po sa akin, meron po tayong kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel, and that is for our international audience. So, nagla-live din po ako doon. No, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan at hindi kayo maka-join ng ating live sessions, so pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section dito sa YouTube, no? Basta ang gagawin nyo lang po is the question should be answerable by yes or no, no? So magsimula na tayo. Deck number 1 or pile number 1. So ang nakikita ko dito is meron talagang pag-ibig, no? Kaso itong pag-ibig niya is parang divided into many people. Kumbaga hindi siya nakafocus sa isang department, kumbaga, no? Baka meron din siyang mga obligations in life, no? Pero punong-puno siya ng pag-ibig. Ang hindi lang natin kasi masyadong ma-appreciate, it's because of the Seven of Swords, which is, kasi Seven of Swords is also a thief in the night, no? Ito yung parang minsan mahal ka niya, minsan sobrang pagmamahal nasasaktan ka din niya. It is also because of the undivided attention, no? Feeling ko yung iba na pumili nito, feeling nila is the person is betraying them, no? Betraying their trust. It felt like there's also a trust issue, no? in the connection. Um, yung iba naman sa inyo na pumili nito, it's kind of like either you're feeling it or you know it that there might be a third party, no? Or there is a third party. Now, with the tower, yun yung parang nagiging issues natin. Bakit parang, um, kumbaga, itong deck number one, parang ito yung parang sinasabi nating either bawal na pag-ibig or may mga kahati, no, sa pag-ibig. With the death card, ilang beses na sinubukan, no? Ilang beses nang sinubukang sumuko, ilang beses nang sinubukang makipaghiwalay, pero hindi din talaga kaya. It felt like this energy is more of away-bate, on and off, laging nagkakabate, lagi din sabihin natin may mga diskusyon. It's totally not well, it's not literally a perfect relationship because of what the death card, no, and the seven of swords as well. Actually, these cards are kapag pinagtabi-tabi mo is a little challenging, not really chaotic. Well, for some because of the tower moment, but more of challenging, no, kasi either gustong mag-move on, hindi naman kaya. Either gustong, what sabihin natin humanap ng iba, no, pero sa kanya pa rin bumabalik. So definitely there's something there is an emotion in here. There's love, but it felt like it's not really focused, no, into like a specific path. Yung kumbaga sa journey, meron palaging stopover, no? The Two of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. So ito parang yung sinasabi natin na hindi naman siya, sabihin natin, nagkukulang when it comes to giving probably attention for a few numbers of you or literally money. So kung sabihin natin may anak na, no, somewhat nagbibigay naman siya ng sustento, no? At kapag nasa iyo naman siya is totaling sa'yo naka-focus. Pero yung nga lang 'pag umaalis hindi mo na siya makita. With the Queen of Cups in here, ang nakikita ko naman minsan hinahanap mo yung pag-ibig niya, 'no? Kasi nga baka nga kasi hindi natin siya nararamdaman kapag siya'y wala. Um, pero ang nakikita ko dito, 'no, meron naman siyang totoong pag-ibig. Yun nga lang siguro masyadong malaki ang puso nito, 'no, hindi ko alam kung octopus siya na madaming puso, 'no, na binibigay niya sa iba. For a few numbers of you, we may be talking to, some other religions, no, na, it's okay to probably, had or have, multiple partners, no, or it could also be a belief system, no, pero someone here sort of hurting because of the shared emotion, or the shared relationship. For those of you who's not, in a shared or belong to a group of, shared relationship, I think that you feel that this person is parang meron siyang mga kahati. Um, since ang tanong natin dito, totoo ba siya sa'yo? Ang nakikita ko naman is oo, 'no? Kasi with the yin in here, it felt like this is really an emotion, you're on the top one. Um, doon sa mga sinasabi kong group, 'no, whether or not it is accepted by the person, who's hurting, I think that there is some exceptions that we need to probably, accept, 'no? Tulad ng sinabi natin, if this is somewhat belief religion, it is already practiced. And like for them, it is somewhat, it is actually normal. And we don't need to told them, but ang sinasabi ko lang is sana nagwi-wish itong whoever na binabasahan natin na sana ako lang. Now, if you are not on that part of a category, talagang nasasaktan tayo, no? Sana lang is mag-focus lang siya sa isa, no? Pero kung tatanungin naman natin, are you on the top of the priority list? Kaya gano'n din siya naman ka-focus kapag nasa iyo. It is because of sobrang mahal ka naman niya, no? Totoo naman yung kanyang nararamdaman. So this is for deck number 1 or pile number 1. Again, para po sa inyo na bago, don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit that notification bell, and mag-question po kayo dito sa comment section. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa next reading. And punta na po tayo sa deck number 2. Thank you. So, deck number 2. Deck number 2, ito po ang inyong pinili. So, tignan na natin. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Para po sa mga gustong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo doon. And kung gusto nyo yung dalawang reading, meron din po tayo doon. So, simulan na natin. Wow, regeneration. So, I felt like this situation or relationship or situationship is sort of come and go, on and off. I feel like there was, or still is, having a separation as of the moment. So parang meron pa rin tayong, whether it is physical or energetic separation. No, physical separation, the person might be literally out of the barangay, out of the city, out of town, out of the country, you know, state, what have you. Ang nakikita natin dito, that's for the physical separation. If this is energetic separation, hindi kayo nag-uusap, pwedeng may naka-blocked, no? Pero hindi pa ito tapos. So, meron talagang separation. Now, let's see the Justice, the Five of Cups, and the Queen of Wands. So, ang nakikita natin dito, bakit meron, kumbaga, hindi talaga siya tapos. Never siyang tapos. Well, it looks like it in the outer layer, no? Kasi pwedeng sabihin natin na may pataasan ng ere, pataasan ng ihi, or yung isa lang, no? Kasi with the Queen of Wands, sana man lang, no, nakausap ko siya, sana man lang nakapagpaliwanag ako, sana nasabi ko kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, sana nalinaw ko, no? May isa doon dito sa inyo. And I feel like once naman na nagkaroon nga ng explanation, once naman na nagkaroon nga ng parang sinasabi nating clarity, no? I feel like magkakaroon to ng second chance. With that being said, ang nakikita ko dito is siguro kaya ito nagkakaganito, apart from the differences, baka meron din tayong mga taboo, no, na sinasabi nating topic. What are those taboo? It could be the age, you know, pwedeng May December love affair, or pwedeng malaki ang agwat nga, no, nitong ninyong dalawa. Or pwede itong religion, no, which we are not going to tackle, pero kasi di ba merong mga religion na hindi pwedeng, you know, makipag-mix, no, or because of the belief, no, yun yung mga taboo natin. Or pwede itong part ng LGBTQIA plus community, no, na hindi siya normal dun sa pwedeng isang sa family, no, ng isang partner. Yung mga taboo na parang hindi normal na nangyayari, hindi siya yung parang well accepted, by a certain community or a part of the community, no? Pero ang nakikita ko dito is sobrang panghihinayang, sobrang, sabihin natin, kumbaga, hanggang ngayon iniisip ko pa rin niya, no? With the Seven of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Strength card. Nako, ang nakikita ko dito, may nag-try, no? Let's say, um, I have to find my tribe. I have to find, so at first, sabihin natin may denial on someone else's part, no? Na parang, okay, dahil nai-influence ako ng mga tao na kapaligid sa akin, no? I try to find someone new. Pero nakikita ko dito is may panghingi, deep inside, sa loob niya, parang gusto niyang humingi ng sorry, no? Na hindi niya nasabi, ito siguro yung panghihinayang. I feel like there is still separation with these deck, with this couple. Um, kung kung tatanungin lang natin kung totoo siya sa'yo, he or she will never, or they, no, um, will never feel this regret for not explaining things, for giving you the reason, for, let's say, sabihin natin, bakit siya pumili ng iba. I think that the person is exploring, no? The person is exploring, pero still, um, ikaw pa rin yung nasa puso niya. And I believe that this person wanted to talk to you, no? Para humingi either ng tawad, um, in, mag, magkaintindihan kayo. If this is not for separation in good terms or closure, I feel like makikipagbalikan siya in the future. Pero with the Seven of Cups, it feels like I just cannot move on from my life with a burdened heart, no? Hindi ko rin naman sinasadya or hindi ko ayaw ko nasaktan ka, no? Um, ang daming factor, no? With the Strength card kasi parang pinipilit lang niya din na mag-explore for the sake of exploring, for the sake of probably na makita din ng ibang tao na I'm exploring. So ito ang iyong reading for now. Deck number 2 or pile number 2, ikaw pa rin, no? Ang iniisip niya at totoo naman siya sa nararamdaman niya. I think that there is just pressure, no, within dito sa inyong relationship, napilitan makipaghiwalay. Pero ikaw pa rin ang nasa puso niya at totoo siya sa iyo, no? Deck number 2, this is your reading para po sa mga bago. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. And para po sa mga gusto magtanong, meron po tayong comment section, no? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So maraming salamat, deck number 2. Let's proceed to deck number 3 or pile number 3. Pile number 3. Ito ang iyong pinili, no? Na deck with the visuals. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit that notification bell, at huwag niyo pong kalimutan na meron po tayong kabilang channel catered for our international audience, and that is Babaylan TV. No? Nagla-live din po ako doon, so kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. No? At kung hindi po kayo maka-catch up sa time or busy kayo, no? Pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as yung question is answerable by yes or no. Okay? So, pile number 3 or deck number 3, simulan na natin. Pile number 3. Well, so far, with just the Oracle card, ang ganda-ganda ng batuhan ng energy. It may be the past, it may be the present, pero it all started with sobrang saya, sobrang generous, sobrang sabihin natin, kapag binigyan kita ng atensyon, gagantihan siya ng ibang, or attention na mas higit pa. Tapos yung isa naman, ay mas higit pa rin. There's no competition in here. Kumbaga, expression of love, no? Gusto kong suklian ang mga binibigay mo sa akin, whether it is a material or energetic. Now, with the Chariot, the Nine of Wands, and the Eight of Cups, I feel like naudlot itong relasyon na ito for some reason. It could be because of travel. It could also be because of someone probably went into a different country for work. So, may pauses. Now, I feel like there's no closure if there's literally separation between, these couple. Um, I feel like um, at that time, wala pa yata akong kakayahan na makipagrelasyon pero sinubukan natin. And probably we are immature by that time, no? Or a little childish, no? Ngayon, I feel like, yeah, I need to go back. I need to go back for you. And I want you to know that my emotions here or love for you didn't even change. So even like time, yung parang inyong kalaban dito because of the separation, pero hindi nagbago. Never, never pa siya, no, na nagkaroon ng sabihin nating ah, karelasyon na seryoso, no? Probably landian meron, pero still, your parang energy or love haunts them or lingers on them. So parang sinabi niya, naku, babalikan ko na nga, no? Itong si pile number 3. With the devil card, the two of pentacles, and the two of wands. So ang laki ng gap ng time, no? Ito yung sinasabi natin na siguro yung isa ayaw kausapin dahil naghigante or probably because of the sabihin natin separations here is because of controls, immaturity, vices, no? Whether it is sugal, sigarilyo, recreational, substance, what have you. Um, I think because of this separation, naisip ng isa na, Ah, wala ngang maidudulot sa'kin. I think na mas pinili nito yung sarili niya that time, 'no? Ngayon pinipili ka naman niya, of course yung sarili din niya, pero kasama ka, 'no? Dumating yung part na siguro hindi pa siya sure nung mga panahon na yon, pero eto na siya, paparating na siya. I am this is the most seryoso, 'no, na feelings in between those three cards or three piles, or three decks, 'no? Kasi willing siya talaga to build something, to kind of rebuild yung connection and to prove to you na ang emotion niya is hindi naman nagbago, you know? Ang definition lang nito ng time, I mean, yung time lang ang yung nakapaghiwalay sa inyo, pero yung connections of emotions and love, hindi naman talaga siya nagbago. I believe uuwi ito either within 2 weeks or 2 months, no? And I feel like, or probably, let's give this as um first, second week of August, no? Babalik siya, whether coming from a different country or just dyan lang sa kapitbahay, magpaparamdam siya because of sinasabi niya nga, hindi naman ako nagbago at totoo talaga yung aking nararamdaman sa iyo. Actually, ikaw din naman, walang nagbago. This is the most genuine of all na kung aalisin mo yung time, yung fluidity, no, ng energy, nandun pa din nagbibigayan pa rin kayo kahit hindi kayo nag-uusap. So, this is your reading pile number 3. So, maraming maraming salamat po. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. hit that notification bell at mag-comment po kayo kung kayo'y merong mga katanungan as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Maraming maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste and see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.